Hello, everyone. This is your market update for January 4th, 2024. Looking at the economic calendar yesterday, we got the job openings and the Fed minutes today at 8:15. We'll get the ADP employment report and initial jobless claims. Over to job openings. After peaking at around 12 million in March of 2022, we're down to around 8.8 million, which is a 32-month low. So fewer and fewer jobs are being posted. Concerning the Fed minutes, they basically indicated that they feel the market is pricing in too many rate cuts for 2024. So when we go over to the Fed Watch tool, they are pricing in basically 6 rate cuts or 1.5% to end the year at around 3.75 to 4%. And the first rate cut starting in March. I would be shocked if they actually started cutting rates in March. Yeah, I see them maybe 2 or 3 rate cuts next year, but I don't think that they're going to begin in March. That just seems a little bit too optimistic. Over to initial claims, we'll see where they are today. Last week they were at 218,000, and as I said, really we need to take out this June high of 265,000 to make a trend higher, a clear trend higher. And over to continued claims, the continued jobless claims are higher, and they reached a high in November, and they're kind of basing now before probably making new highs. So continuing claims are saying, yeah, the job market isn't as good as some think. Over to the charts. After a strong down day yesterday, gold is kind of basing here in an inside candle, not doing a lot. This is not going to be a straight path down. We'll probably have to go up and down, but I'm still looking for a bottom probably in mid-January. It could come sooner or later depending on news events. Over to silver. Had a strong down day yesterday. Prices are basing, consolidating. I still think we'll probably come down to the $22.50 to $22 area before prices bottom, hopefully in January. And platinum came back, didn't quite close below this gap, but we're still below the $1,000 level, and no sign of a swing low or anything yet. So I think prices may consolidate and then end up heading lower. And I wanted to point out in miners that we had this nice gap up here back in December, and that has now failed. So prices rolled over. They couldn't get through the 32.50 area on the first attempt. Not surprising, but they came down and they gapped lower. So we have a gap lower through a gap. That's a significant sign of a top. And we could see some backing and filling here for a little bit, but basically prices would have to close above yesterday's close, which are the prior day's close, which was $30.56 to close this gap and support a bottom. So I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. So we'll probably see some consolidation, and then hopefully a bottom, a more lasting bottom sometime around mid-January in another week or two. All right. Hope everyone's well. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.